Think of your body as a fortress. For most of human history, this fortress was defended by ancient natural secrets, remedies found in kitchen, gardens, and daily rituals. But in our modern world, we've forgotten these secrets. We traded them for quick fixes while our inner defenses have grown weaker. What if I told you that the most powerful way to boost your immune system isn't found in a pill, but in reviving these simple, yet often forgotten practices? Practices that not only fight off the cold, but also fundamentally reprogram your body's defenses for the long haul. Today we are not talking about usual eat your oranges advice. We are going deeper. We are uncovering 5 natural yet profoundly effective strategies that work in harmony with your biology. This is unbreakable code for an unshakable immune system. Let's begin with the most underestimated power on the list. Biodote is here to dote upon and respect the precious biological treasures of our nature. The Dark Elixir of Repair. Our first secret isn't a food or a herb, it's a state of being, it's a sleep. And I am not just talking about getting enough hours, I am talking about understanding what actually happens when you turn out the lights. While you are asleep, your body enters a state of intense biological activity. It's not resting, it's doing critical maintenance. This is when your immune system produces a master protein called cytokines. Think of cytokines as the generals of your immune army. They direct the troops, signal for reinforcements, and coordinate the attack against pathogens. When you cut your sleep short, you aren't just waking up tired, you are halting the production of these vital generals. Studies show that people who get less than 7 hours of sleep are almost 3 times more likely to catch a cold than those who get 8 hours or more. But it gets even more fascinating. During deep sleep, your body also produces T cells, a special force unit of your immune system. These T cells are trained to recognize and destroy infected cells. Without sufficient deep sleep, your T cells count drop and their effectiveness plummets. So that beauty sleep is actually immune system boot camp. Prioritizing it's your non-negotiable first step. Silencing the internal alarm. If sleep is a master builder of your defenses, then chronic stress is the saboteur with a freaking ball. And here is the crucial distinction. It's not the stressful event itself, but your body's prolonged responses to it. When your brain perceives a constant threat, be it at work deadlines, financial worry, or social media overload, it triggers the fight or flight response. This floods your system with the hormone cortisol. In short bursts, cortisol is helpful, it even has an anti-inflammatory properties. But when the alarm bell rings non-stop, day after day, cortisol becomes an immune suppressant. It does this 2 devastating ways. First, it literally tells your body to stop producing the very white blood cells, the lymphocytes, that are your frontline soldiers. It's like a general telling his army to stand down in the middle of the battle. Second, high cortisol cripples the communication between your immune cells. The cytokines we talked about earlier, their signals get scrambled. The coordinated defense falls into chaos. This is why you often get sick after a period of intense stress, during a vacation or right after a big project. This is when the cortisol finally drops. Then your weakened immune system is exposed to the enemy. It can no longer fight. The remedy isn't to eliminate stress, which is impossible, but to break that cycle. Just 5 to 10 minutes of daily deep diaphragmatic breathing can signal your nervous system that the threat is over, lowering cortisol and allowing your immune command center to come back online. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more insightful explanations to ensure you are as informed as possible. Join our vibrant Biodote community of health enthusiasts and seekers, where every click opens doors to new possibilities. Remember, caution is a key with any potential alternative. The forgotten pharmacy in your kitchen. Now let's move to the tangible tools. We are going into your kitchen, but we are bypassing the modern supplements and looking at the ancient powerful remedies that have been used for millennia. Let's talk about garlic, but not just any garlic. The magic isn't in the clove itself, but it's a compound called allicin that is only formed when the clove is crushed, chopped, or chewed. Allicin is most potent antimicrobial and immune booster. However, it's highly sensitive to heat. Cooking it for more than 10 minutes destroys most of its benefits. The forgotten secret? Let your crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before you use it and allow allicin to fully form, and try it incorporate some of its raw into dressings or finishes. Next, the golden duo is a ginger and turmeric. Ginger is a powerful diaphoretic, meaning it helps your body sweat out toxins, and it's brilliant anti-inflammatory for aching muscles and sore throat. But its partner turmeric is a real superstar. Its active compound curcumin is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories ever studied. But there's a catch, your grandmother knew. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. You need to pair it with the two things, fat like coconut oil and a pinch of black pepper. The compounds in black pepper, piperin, enhances curcumin absorption by a staggering 2000%. This simple trio, turmeric, fat, and pepper, is forgotten immune protocol in itself. And we can't forget about the power of broth. A long simmered bone broth is rich in gelatin, collagen, and amino acid glutamine. These compounds are essential for healing and sealing a leaky gut. And since nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, a strong gut lining is your first and most important barrier against the outside world. The heroes of the superfood world. Beyond the spice rack, there is a hero that don't get the flashy headline, but those impact is foundational. The first is vitamin D. We call it a vitamin, but its functions more like a hormone. Is the master key that unlocks the potential of your immune cells. Without sufficient vitamin D, your T cells don't just become sluggish, they remain dormant. They literally don't know how to respond to the serious infection. While sunlight is the best source, for many it's not enough. This one case where the supplements based on a blood test can be a game changer. The second hero is the world of fermented foods. We live in a sterilized antibacterial world, and in the process we wiped out the beneficial bacteria that our immune system evolves with. Foods like leaf culture yogurt, kefir, raw sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha are not just trendy, they are direct friendly probiotics. These probiotics do two critical jobs. First, they crowd out harmful pathogens in your gut. Second, and more importantly, they train your immune system. They act as live simulation, teaching your immune cells the difference between a harmless pollen and a dangerous virus, which can help reduce both infection and overactions like allergies and autoimmune issues. Think of every spoon of sauerkraut as a training exercise for your internal army. The Movement Multiplier. Our final secret is about circulation. Your immune cells aren't concentrated in the organs. They patrol your entire body, primarily through your bloodstream and lymphatic system. The lymphatic system, which is a network of tissues and organs that flush out toxins, has one major difference for your circulation system. It has no pump. It relies entirely on the contractions of your muscles to move fluid around. This is why moderate consistent movement is an immune multiplier. A daily 30-minute bristle walk, some light cycling, and yoga does more than just burn calories. It's like turning on that pump for your body's sewage and recycling system. It ensures that your immune cells are actively patrolling every corner of your kingdom, and that waste products are efficiently removed. A sedentary lifestyle means a stagnant immune system. Move your body and you move your defenses. So there you have it. The unbreakable code isn't one single thing, it's a synergy. It's the repair of deep sleep combined with the calm and managed stress, powered by the ancient pharmacy in your kitchen, fueled by the heroes like vitamin D and probiotics, and circulated through simple daily movement. You don't need to do everything perfectly. Start with one, fix your sleep, then add in a daily walk, then maybe let your garlic sit before you cook it. Each small forgotten ritual you revive is another brick replaced in the wall of your fortress. Build is strong, and you will have built a foundation of health that lasts a lifetime. If you found this blueprint valuable, share it with someone who needs to hear it and subscribe for more secrets to unlock your body's natural potential. Thanks for watching. Wishing you robust health, your Beard Out team.